hope you all are feeling well. Today we'll be taking the subject maths for class 2nd standard, and the topic we'll be discussing today is lesson number 3, addition. Okay, so and the units which we'll cover in this lesson are adding 2-digit number without carry, adding 2-digit number with carry, and interchanging the numbers to add them. Okay, and the fourth one is adding numbers on the number line. So today we'll be discussing all these subunits. The first one is adding 2-digit numbers without carrying. Okay, and first of all, what do you mean by addition? Addition is sum or total of 2 or more things. Okay, 2 or more numbers. So here we are dealing with the numbers. It will be sum or total of 2 or more numbers. Okay, so we'll go to the first subunit, that is adding 2-digit numbers without carrying. Okay, and the numbers should exceed only up to 99. Okay, the sum should be within 99. That is a 2-digit number. Okay, fine children. Shall we start? Okay. So here, when I give you an example of 22 plus 24 and 32, both are 2-digit numbers, isn't it? So we can't add directly like that, isn't it? So here what we are going to do is, we know the place value chart, so we are going to arrange these numbers in the place value chart. That is 24 plus 32. This is in units place and these numbers are in tens place. Okay. Now we'll add it from the right hand side. When you turn this side, it should be from your right hand side. Okay. So how much is 4 plus 2? 4 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 4, 5, 6. So 6 you will write it here. Okay. See the next number. So I have not carried anything. These are the examples without carrying 2-digit numbers addition. Okay. So the next number is 2 and 3. It is in tens place value. Tens place. So here 2 plus 3 is how much? 2 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are going to write this 5. Okay. So like this you will add the two numbers, okay, without carrying. And let me give you one more example, that is 41 plus 12. So again you write it in the order of place value chart. Okay, then you are going to add that. First step is to write under the place value chart. Okay, according to the place values you should write it, and then you are going to add that. So 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. And 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, this you got as the answer when you add the two numbers. So let me give you one more example, that is 13 plus 22. So first step is to place the numbers in the place value digit, then you are going to add it. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 plus 2 is 3. So these were the examples for 2-digit numbers addition without carrying. So in these 3 examples also we have not carried any number. Okay, so for any number you can do it, or the sum should be within 99. Okay, so now coming to the next subunit, adding 2-digit numbers with carrying. Okay, with forwarding the number to the other place value. Okay, for this what example we can give here? Like 26 plus 38. So if these two numbers are added, what will we get? The sum. So again arrange it according to the place value system. Okay, then you are going to add this. 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, 6 and 8 you will get it as 14. So what you will do here? 14 is a 2-digit number. So you can't write 14 here, isn't it? That is wrong. Yes or no? So 14 you cannot write here. For that, what you have to do is, so 4 you will write it in the units place only. This unit place you will write in this unit place itself. and this 1 you will carry it to the tens place. Okay, because this is written as 10 plus 4, isn't it? Splitting and writing the numbers, you will get it as 10 plus 4. So this 4 you will write in units place, and this tens it will carry it forward to tens place. Okay, but you are not writing the 10 here. It is 10 value only. You will write it as 1. Okay, the 14, 4 will be written here, and 1 it will be written in tens place value. Okay children, so now we are going to add all these three numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So what answer you will get here? It is 6. So this is your answer. Okay children, fine. Okay, suppose if I give you one more number, that is 43 plus 39. So first step is to arrange the numbers in the place value system. So then you are going to add that. So 9 plus 3 we are getting it as 12. So this 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. Split it and write. So this 2 you are going to write in the units place. Okay. And this 1, this should be considered as 1. Okay. The tens place value. And the 1 should be carried forward to the tens place. So it will be written here. So now you are going to add all these three numbers like the first one. 4 plus 3 plus 1. It is 8. Okay, so your answer is this. So understood how to carry a number forward also? Now we are going to add this. So first arrange it in the place value system. Then you are going to add that. So 4 plus 7 we are getting 11. Again 1 will write in this unit place. The other one will carry in the tens place. Then you will add all these three numbers. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. So this is a very easy method to add. Isn't it children? So carrying one number to the another place value to the forward. Okay. So now this was the second subunit. So coming to the third subunit, that is interchanging numbers while adding. For example, suppose 3 and 5. Okay, so you should find the sum of 3 and 5. How will you find this? 3 and 5 is 3 plus 5. That is nothing but 8. So when you interchange the numbers like this, so what will happen? This 5 will come here and this 3 will come down, isn't it? So what will happen now? 5 plus 3 also is 8. So these two are equal. So this shows that when we interchange the numbers, okay, the addends, what we are interchanging the numbers, the sum will remain the same. The total is same for both of these numbers. Okay, suppose if I give you a number like 4 and 7. Okay, so here 4 plus 7 gives you 11. So when I interchange this and this, what will happen? 7 plus 4, that is also nothing but 11. So this is the concept of interchanging numbers. The sum will remain the same always. Okay. So this is the interchanging the numbers. The sum will always remain the same. So this was your third subunit, and coming to the fourth and last subunit of this lesson. So the fourth subunit is adding numbers on the number line. Suppose if I give you a number line starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is called a number line where the numbers are placed at equidistant from each other. Okay, so suppose I want to add a number on this number line, that is 3 plus 2. We all know that 3 plus 2 is 5. So how will add it on the number line? Now we will see. For example, two girls are there. Okay. So one girl, what happened? She jumped from 0 to 3 in one jump itself. Okay. So from the 0 point she jumped to 3.3. Then what she did, after some time, 2 more steps she took. Okay, 2 more jumps, very small jumps. Okay, these were very small jumps. First jump was from 2 to 3, a very big jump. Then the next one, small jump, and another small jump she took. So now here, what is the total she has jumped? What is the total distance she has jumped? Okay, so what will be the answer here? This is 3 and this is 2. Okay, so this is 3 and this is plus 2. So what you are getting here, the number on the number line is 5. Okay, so here first step is 3.3 and the next 2 steps she is jumping is 3 and 4 and from 4 to 5. So the total number of distance she covered is the 5. So this is 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. So one more example we can give. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So here I will take it as what you can take it as. So 2 and 4 you can take. 2 and 4 we know that it gives us 6. Okay. The first jump was till 2. Okay. Then the next jump, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. All small jumps. It was like 4 jumps. Okay. So what is the end product of this? What is the sum of the jumps? From here to here it is jumping. It is what? This is now 2 and this is 4 jumps. It is 4. So 2 plus 4 is, we are getting it as 6. The last end point of the jump. That is nothing but it is 2 and these 4 jumps, it is 6. Okay. Same likewise, if you take 1 jump here and 3 jumps here, you will get 1 plus 3 is at 4. Okay. So this was adding numbers on the number line. Okay children. Hope you all have understood this. Okay. Thanks for watching us.